At this stage, setup contains an RC model, personal computer with LinkShox application, a SIM gear, and a LinkShox station. Now let's install the LinkShox receiver. First, we are installing the antenna, and you can use a little support that will maintain a good position for the antenna. An RC model contains steering servo and ESC. To attach the holder for the receiver, you can use double-sided sticker or you can use the screws at the marked spots. Put the receiver into the gap on one side and onto the locking mechanism on the other side. Connect the power supply board. Power supply board has some additional features, but you can check that on tutorial number 7. Power supply board needs to be connected to the battery. In our case, we are connecting it to the balancing port on the battery. It has inverse polarity protection, but make sure you are connecting it the right way. Secure the connection from being pulled out, and you can use the switch to turn it on and off. Once the LinkShox station and receiver are both turned on, you should click on R model in the application and the green light will turn on at the receiver because they are binded out of the box. After these steps are finished, we are ready for tutorial number 3.